Today we need to talk about something that's been happening for the past couple days. So I've been getting really bad rainstorms. Last night while I was asleep, something happened in my backyard. There was only one tiki fell down, which was that one. But now there is another one right here. So that's how I know there was another rainstorm last night. And there's more bricks falling down. And then the freaking, that is wiggly, the fence is wiggly, and the more chairs are knocked down. This one is close to knocking down. No, there's two tikis fell down last night, which is kind of strange because there was only one tiki that fell down. So I'm gonna take off my shoes and go back inside. So it is like about 8-9, and I'm gonna take off my shoes. I just wanted y'all to see that, because that's really big. My neighborhood seems okay. See, that house is still recovering over there from the biggest one that I've seen. So that was a really big rainstorm. Also, let me show you something. So, since all those tikis and so as you can see, I'm not clickbaiting this because here's the time. It's actually about to hit 9. But right here, there was water spilling. So we had a bucket right here. It was dripping from the fire. So alarm, because we had some technology difficulties in my house. And there's nothing to do right now, so that's why I'm just making this short video. I'm kind of bored. Until I could go to my friend's house and we could go play Fortnite or something. Because I know I have the Xbox right here, but I got grounded. So like, whatever. Honestly don't give. But I'm going there at 1. Peace, guys.